out here, that's right. Trippin', finesse, that's right. Trippin', that's right. Trippin' and finesse, that's right. Trippin' and finesse, that's right.
Everybody always asks, why don't I see your real hair? Here it is. I don't know what to do with it. That's why you never see it. I don't know what products to put on it or anything. But here it is. All mine. I have my niece over there.
Where is the? I want the. I need.
Target pictures.
Shawty feeling my vibes. I be like, there she go. There she go. There she go.
Where's she going with that, y'all?
Where I want to.
Nowhere. I won't even let you buy it. Girl, I hate that. Is not nothing to hate on. This is ugly.
Really good.
Nope, all you get is floral. Floral stripes.
Floral stripes. It never fails.
That's what's in there.
Something cuter than that.
No, because you said that the other day.
It's cute.
You said you should get this to match the hat. I'm like, what hat?
Oh, no, you know you like that one. You like, this is the style I get. This is fun.
No. I said the style hat, but not that.
Working out in the store.
Stop, you act slow. Stop.
You walk right in front of me now.
What is these? Y'all don't know how to act when y'all go to the store. These are kind of cute.
The purple one right there. The purple one.
Mom would kill me if I brought home another cup. How much is it? You act like you run something. Shut up. No, nothing about your mouth every day. You. Ma, you should get this lemonade dress, and you and Sheikah should wear.
I really like it. You didn't have it in my style yet. The 10 and the 12. I really did like it.
Girl, you a 10.
6.
That looks like the type of dresses she wears.
Kind of dress my grandma used to. That pocket thing?
It's like the 60s. Yep. It does. What is this? Oh, it's to die for. His pocket. Please don't die for that dress. Well, this is to die for.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Yeah, what's up?
Who's Peggy? I don't really ever see anything. Let me pull my.
See nothing.
I see stuff when I'm not looking. But when I'm looking.
Did y'all look at the baby suit?
Where are the swimsuits? Where? That's kids.
What's yours?
Look, this brush is good. It's like flat at the back. It's like, I'm trying to shop. What do you want? But I don't pay that much for a brush. And you can get a whole set. Like,
Ooh, but this brush is really cute though.
That brush is cute, but it probably doesn't even work. Hello?
I would get it just because it looks cute.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get these. Is Real Technique. Who is that? Who is that? By Sam and Nikki. I don't even know who this is, but I guess they're on YouTube. I don't know. But not about them. Well, I haven't seen Zirconias in so long. I didn't know they made those too. Put you a nice little pink shirt or white shirt and some jeans.
Yeah, buy me some, girl.
I see how this is fun. I definitely did not come to buy shoes today. So I am recording on my phone because my niece ran my battery dead. So yeah, this is one of the dress options that I'm trying on. It's just like off the shoulder. It's like these little ties on. It's like this rose detailing stitched in. I don't know if I really like it, but it's like a cute little dress that you just throw on. I don't know. It's pregnant. So we're making wreaths. My mom was doing like yellow, and I'm doing like, of course, pink, yellow, purples. You know, the girly colors.
Put me in there. This looks like a slave.
Hey, Divine LifeXO.
This looks like a slave.
Gotta love to play.
That's ugly. It's not ugly, but it's not.
Help me find a C, Vinay. Yeah, that's the C I'm looking for. I think I'm gonna do this gold color. Or should I do a silver C? Oh, I'll take gold. Gold.
I like the gold.
Hold this.
Why you went all the way up here? They was right here.
Where? Oh, see? These are the letters I got in my room, guys, that spell out Girl Cave. This is where, oh, I don't have that hello sign. I almost got the hello sign. But here is my unicorn. Ooh, but that one's broken. Oh, wow.
How much is the unicorn? I really want this. Did you get it from this?
Yep, I got it from Hobby Lobby.
How you hold this up?
This niece right here, in this ugly green shirt with this ugly brown jacket, is so stupid. She said she's not gonna break a 10. She talking about I'm not gonna break a 10, like a $10 bill is like something. I'm like, child, please, it's $10 freaking dollars.
Are you still talking?
You look grown. You don't even look. Alright, so I'm going to do a what I got haul. You're not going to see my face, but I'm going to show you what I got. So first thing from Ross, I got this romper. And it just is vertical stripes and it's navy and white. And it was $10. And I figured that this would be perfect for spring. It's not like too short and it's not like too tight or anything like that. And the material like feels really good. It's like really good material. And that was $9.99. And then next from Ross, I got some shorts. Oh, these are from Rue. These are from Rue 21, but I got them from Ross. And they were $7.99. And they're like really good shorts. They're not too short and they're not like tight or anything like that. So I like that. Next from Marshalls, but it says Home Goods, but I got from Marshalls. I got these makeup brushes. They're Real Technique Ready Set Glow, and it says, I don't know who this is, by Sam and Nick. I don't know who Sam and Nick are. I don't know these ladies, but it's like a fan brush, a blush brush, well, for your cheeks, and a blending brush. So, oh, and then you get a beauty blender, and it was only $7.99, and they're really, really cute. So I had to get this. I could not pass this up. And next, from Marshalls, I just got this basic polo shirt. It's just a polo v-neck shirt. And I got it because it matches these Nikes that I got out of there. So I just got these. They're white. They're like gray, white, and pink. Like this is like a light gray, and that's white, and this is pink. And they look really cute on my feet. The last store is Hobby Lobby. And I think you can see my wreath in the back. No, you can't. So my wreath is over there. I'm about to do my wreath. Yeah. I got these, like, what is this called? Flower garland. And it was a half off. So it was $5. And it's just all these springy, summery colors. And then I got this bouquet. I might put this on the wreath, or I might put this in like a little vase next to my door. I'll show y'all that tomorrow. Then I got the letter C for my wreath, and it's glittery, and it was $4.99. And then I got these two. They're the same. These two flowers to pop with this on my wreath.